Sunday. For you guys that are just joining for the first time, my name is Edwin. I'm the founder of Curl Daddy, which is a vegan hair care brand that inspires your journey. And of course, the products are plant-based, vegan, free of harsh chemicals. There's no parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates, and today we're just really showing you guys how to take your hair from the twist out. We started the twist out the other day. For you guys that were here on the last live, we did the twist out. So, which is a look that you can rock for a few days, but after maybe a day or two, you guys want to take it out to really take it to the next level. So I don't know how many of you guys understand that before you touch your hair, you guys need to either spray the hair and your hands with a very light oil. Of course, I use the Glow Me Up oil by Curl Daddy. That is a whole vibe. And or, right? The Revitalize Me Scalp Oil, which is a blend of 16 different oils to take your scalp and your hair to the next level. This scalp oil, I personally use it on my eyebrows, guys. I don't know if you noticed the eyebrows are on fleek. I've been applying oils on my eyebrows for a while, but now it's great to have it in a bottle, right? Where you just can, sorry, it's a dropper. The dropper, you guys can see, so it's very easy to apply to the scalp and the hair. And of course, we have our Glow Me Up oil. If you guys have twist outs, braids, cornrows, you know, box braids, it's one of the things that you can use to really keep your scalp on point. And it's great for all hair textures, okay? It's great for all hair textures. So we're going to start. So the first thing, let me take my rings out. So the first thing that we're going to do is really, I'm just gonna work on these like that. You guys can see the effect. If you guys have any questions, drop the questions on the live. And of course, I'm going to spray some of the oil. It dries without trace. It doesn't give you any. And I'm going to start untwisting them, right? So you can untwist the hair, right? So this is what's going to give you, because it does have the Hold Me cream gel, so it does have a very hold. But I'm going to now open this up so you guys can see what it's doing, right? And then I'm going to open and keep opening these twist out. Of course, they're going to really get some oil in there. And the hair, of course, is programmed to go to the front. So it's all about styling, guys. It's all about styling. So I'm taking, and I'm gonna take this one in the front, right? So you guys can see already what the hair vibes are looking like. So it's going to appear that the hair is longer. Just kind of wanna, you guys can see it better there, right? Is that better? So again, we're not really playing with what it's already doing. You guys can see how it'll make the curl look completely different. Again, the secret here is to definitely spray the hair with a very light oil. And this oil has UV protection, guys, so you can spray a little bit and keep unraveling them. Any questions? Brandon, Sally, One's Ledge. Thank you guys. Make sure you guys like, follow, and share. And if you guys have any questions about the Curl Daddy Hair Care Collection, please drop the questions. So what we're gonna do, we're going to kind of want you guys to see the whole full effect. So we're going to unravel this one, right? And just really let it do what it wants to do, right? And remember, my hands already have some oil in there, so just kind of, and you guys are gonna get these creases here. If you guys, you can actually style it and just really go into the roots, massage the scalp to really get rid of them, or at the end we can kind of blend it in. Just give yourself a little massage, right? And automatically you guys see how the creases start disappearing because you start blending everything in. You guys see? But you guys see it's a completely different curl pattern. So this is a really cool way to just really switch the way your hair looks, which I kind of love, right? It's kind of cool. And you know, if you have shorter hair, it looks different. It looks really great when it's short hair. If you have longer hair, it does give you a different vibe. If you're in the middle with your hair length, it gives you a different vibe. So it's just a very cool. So we went from these twists to this right here. And again, styling is key, guys. Like with hair, styling is key. Sometimes I'm like, I need to cut my hair to a specific shape. Well, you guys can reach any shape. You guys can get any shape with just the styling and the products that you're using. If you guys have any questions, again, Curl Daddy is plant-based products, free of harsh chemicals, hair care that inspires the journey. And if you guys have any questions about any of the hair care, of course, we're using the Glow Me Up oil, which is made out of jojoba oil and vitamin E. And I love this because it dries without trace. It doesn't give you any greasy hair vibes. It's a plant-based product, so which makes it makes it healthier for your scalp, your hair. You guys can see what my hair looks like. This is day 3 of my hair, guys. So this is day 3. Or day 3, yeah. I think it's day 3. Leandra, how are you? Miyaka, for you guys that are joining for the first time, thank you. Make sure you guys definitely check out the Curl Daddy Hair Care Collection. Again, it's hair care that inspires your journey. It's very important to understand that 60% of what you apply to yourself goes into your body. So we have to start really using better hair care for our journey. No matter where you are in your journey, make sure your hair care is on point. Thank you for the likes and the follows. Make sure you guys like, follow, and share. Give me some love. Make sure just to like, you just have to touch on the screen. And what we really talked about today is how to really take your hair to the next level when it comes to twisting out. So what we had before, which I haven't done all of them because I want to really speak about this, it's these twists, which we use the Hold Me cream gel. We kind of did this whole section. We let them air dry. You guys see the crease? This you can just get rid of by really blending it in. And I blend it in. You guys can blend it in by really doing the massage on the scalp, right? Massage on the scalp. So I did use both oils, the Glow Me Up oil, and then I used Jazzy, how are you? It's the Revitalize Me Scalp Oil. So these are the 2 oils that we used. I applied a little bit on my hand. As you guys can see, there's no greasy hair vibes. We do not deal with greasy hair vibes. You see how my hair looks? You can still see some shine, but it's not greasy. the hair growth, the products do promote hair growth and scalp health, by the way, guys. They do promote scalp health and hair growth. And for you guys that are not, we are having a flash sale. I hope you guys take advantage of it. Major flash sale right now. I'm gonna pin the Revitalize Me Scalp Oil. And the Revitalize Me Scalp Oil, you can use as a hair oil. It's a hair growth oil, so you can use it on your scalp, your hair, your for the guys, you guys can use it as a beard oil, and you can use this as a serum for your eyebrows. All right, so you can use it 4 different ways. And this is what we started with. This is what we ended up with, okay? So you guys can see is a completely different definition. And it does translate differently on the mannequin, because I think I need to cut these ends. But I'm scared to give the mannequin a haircut, but I think I'm gonna have to do that. So again, we started with these twist outs. Yeah, these ends are fried. We need to cut these ends. And then this is just a quick way to, another way to style your curly texture hair. Make sure that when you are styling your hair, you're touching your hair, you're using a scalp oil to prevent frizz, or you guys can use the Glow Me Up oil, which is great. I'm gonna pin that egg back up, I'm gonna pin that back up, guys, like that. You guys can check it out. Of course, Curl Daddy, it's plant-based, vegan, no harsh chemicals, no parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates. What I love about the product, guys, is that it does create an instant shine on dry or dull hair without waving it down. So it's not gonna wave your hair down. If you have, it does have UV and thermal protection. This is one of the products that have both. So this has UV and thermal protection. What does that mean? If you are diffusing with high heat, if you are going under the dryer, if you're definitely making your hair straight for whatever reason, it does have the thermal protection. And if you go out into the sun, it does have UV protection for your scalp and your hair. So this is the Glow Me Up oil spread. Any questions, guys? Any questions you guys might have? Drop the questions. I would love. Again, this is just, I just unraveled the twist outs. I have to style it because it does look a little crazy at the moment, but I just wanted you guys to see how it went from this to this. So it's a different curl pattern that it gives you. It makes your hair even appear longer. And if you guys do have the Hold Me cream gel, the Hold Me cream gel gives you tons of volume, so it just makes your hair look big, like longer than what it actually is. And again, we do have these creases here. Once you twist your hair out and you unravel it to get you that full effect, you put a little bit of the Revitalize Me Scalp Oil or the Glow Me Up oil by Curl Daddy, and then you just massage your scalp. That's going to get rid of all the all the in-between part. Any questions that you guys might have? No questions? Anyone has questions? This makes the hair look drier. All right, guys, no questions, no questions. If you guys don't have no questions, I appreciate you guys for joining me today. I just wanted to show you guys literally how to really, once you get these twists, which we use the Hold Me Cream Gel to style for definition and hold. We took them out, unraveled them, and then we just got this different curl pattern, which is a great way to really keep, just after you rock your twist out, which is a double twist. It's a 2-strand twist. You don't have to make them super perfect either. That's the cool thing about it. And you could put rubber bands at the end if you want to, or you can leave them as is. If you really lock it when you're styling it, you could lock it. Not lock it, like lock it, just like curl it at the end. You'll be fine. And then, but depending on your hair texture, you can kind of, sometimes you might need a rubber band to really get the full effect. And this is what we're getting right now, which is a different curl pattern. I just want you guys to really get into the curl pattern, right? So I appreciate you guys for joining today. Be safe, take care, and remember to love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself, guys, because 60% of what you apply to yourself goes into your system. All right, be safe, take care, and enjoy the rest of your day.